Good morning to all. Welcome to English online class. So today topic grammar, one of the part, active and passive voice. That means third unit grammar exercise, active and passive voice. We already discussed about passive voice. So how to use, what is the importance of passive voice, what are the verbs change in the passive voice, the verb tenses, which type of verbs and verbs following, and then how to use the bilink and prepositions, when you use the prepositions, how to active, and then now we discuss about active sentences. So we already learned passive voice, passive importance. Now we just learned about active and passive. So passive with active, okay. So understanding active and passive voice. So verbs and voice. Voice is a form of a verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receive the actions. So not only receive the actions, now we receive the perform. So I have the perform from verb through voice. Okay. So how to perform the sentences? We read one sentences. There is also one action happen, and we understand the perform also. There is sentences we imagine the perform and then receive the action. And there are two types of voice: active voice and passive voice. So active voice. Active voice indicate that the subject of the verb is acting. So subject of the verb is acting through active voice because the subject does or acts upon the verb. So upon the verb means the second option is verb, first option is subject. So subject reflected the action. We already saw the passive importance, the passive. Now here subject does or acts upon the verb, active voice. So in such sentences, the sentences are said to be in the active voice. These examples shows that the subject is doing the verb's actions. So now active voice completely through verb actions. So verb how to action through the sentences. So see the examples. The dog jumped onto the boy. So the dog is the subject. Is doing the jumping verb. Christy will give a book report to the class. So Christy is the subject here. He is doing the giving. So the subject how to change the ing form. So the computer ate my paper. So computer is the object. Now the computer is the subject here. So the computer is subject is doing the eating. Okay. Just add what is that? Verb plus ing form. So now passive voice. In a passive voice sentence, the subject and the object flip-flop. So the subject becomes the passive recipient of the action. So because the subject is being acted upon in passive, such sentences are said to be the passive. These examples show the subject being acted upon the verb. So the boy was jumped on by the dog. Boy subject was being jumped on. So the book report will be given by Christy to the class. So report subject will be given verb. My paper was eaten by the computer. So paper subject, my that is possessive pronoun. So don't think about that. So paper is a subject. So was being eaten verb. So now reason to use the active voice. Active voice, when you use the active voice in the sentences, what is the reason there? So most writers prefers to use active voice because it's more direct. So writers why choose active voice in the sentences? Because all the messages to say to others use active voice is very easy. In passive means that means maybe understanding is very difficult or indirect through way. So they choose active voice. So now compare active. The waiter dropped the tray of food. So convert to passive. tray of food was dropped by the waiter. Reason to use the active voice. The active voice is less awkward and clearly states a relationship between subject and action. So compare the passive, your request for funding has been denied by the review committee. So active, the review committee denied your request for funding. So passive, the active voice sentences pattern propels the reader forward through your writing, thus avoiding weak prose. When to use the passive voice? In general, the passive voice is less direct, less forceful, and less concise than the active voice. So use the passive voice in the following situations. Use passive voice when you do not know or do not want to reveal the performer of an action. Use passive voice when you want to emphasize the receiver of an action. So examples, awkward passive, that means my bicycle was repainted by John. Deliberate passive, my bicycle was repainted. That's all. But performer is not mentioned. So John is a performer, but it's not mentioned the performer. The performer is not mentioned and the emphasis is not on the bicycle. Form of passive voice verb. So the passive voice requires a double verb and will always consist of a verb, form of the verb and the past participle, usually the en or ed or t form verb. So the form of another verb, use example active. So John baked the bread. So convert to the passive, the bread was baked by John. So was is a form of the verb, use be form verb. So writers should be familiar with the forms of to be. So often called linking verbs. That means there is using linking verb. So that you can easily identify the passive voice in their work. So review the forms to be. That means be form verbs. So what are the be form verbs? Am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. So note the forms of to be in the examples of the verb to kick in various forms of the passive voice. So take the examples of to kick. So how to change the passive voice? So active to passive. So see the passive voice, first verb is kicked. So now change have been kicked, was kicked, is going to be kicked, is being kicked, will be kicked, has been kicked, can be kicked, was being kicked, should be kicked. So often passive sentences will contain a by phrase, so indicating who or what performed the action. So the what is the work of by? The sentence example, you write one sentence as what is the mention of who is the subject. So what performed there? There is the actions also finishing, who are finishing, and then what are the performed there. That is the answer you find out through the preposition from by. So passive sentences can be easily transformed into the active sentences. So how to find out easily? There is using by. So when the object of the preposition by is moved to the subject position in the sentences. So examples, passive, the cookies were eaten by the children, and convert to active, the children ate the cookies. Now passive, the tunnels are dug by the gophers. Now active, the gophers dug the tunnels. So now let's practice. So now you understand about the active and passive. You already understand about the passive voice. So now active and passive voice is over. So now I will give the let's practice sentences. That means directions. Now change the sentences below the active voice. That means the full and full passive voice you convert to active voice. So first, the statue is being visited by hundreds of tourists every year. Second one, my books were stolen by someone yesterday. Third one, these books have been left in the classroom by a careless student. Fourth one, coffee is raised in many parts of Hawaii by plantations workers. Fifth one, The house had been broken into by someone while the owners were on vacation. So now the direction is changed. The change the sentence below the passive voice. That means full and active you convert to the passive. So first one, children cannot open these bottles easily. Second one, the government built a road right outside her front door. Third one, Mr. Ross broke the antique vase he walked through the store. Fourth one, when she arrived, the changes amazed her. Fifth one, the construction workers are making street repairs all month long. So the class is over. I hope you understand everything. So we will meet the next class. So thank you. Thanks to all.